What's up, guys? It's your Bolo back at it again with another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today we're gonna be having a photo shoot of the Z and the Evo together. So before we do that, I gotta go wash both of them. But let's say what's up to the guys first. Hi. You can see my what? That's awesome. Hi, yours.
Hi, yours.
They haven't seen you in so long. Wow.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain.
So I just pumped the 85. I know I usually record that for George, but I didn't do it. But yeah, right now we're heading to a car wash. I'm gonna rinse both of these cars really quick. I'm trying to hurry up and have this photo shoot. I'm not really trying to spend a lot of time on washing the cars. Alright, Z is all rinsed off. Now I just gotta dry it. Now I gotta wash the Evo over here. Now I gotta dry both of them. Who's the man? They're not a park.
A few moments later. George right now with no brake boost, so I get an advantage. If he brake boost, I feel like it would take me, but there's too much traffic right now to even try it. Fuck yeah. That was with brake boosting. Oh fuck! Oh shit! That's what I wanted to fucking see.
For all you EVO 10 owners, you guys know this. If you run the AC on your car, it runs hella slower, and this idiot fucking left his AC on. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to do another one eventually. Nice one, George. You left the AC on. That's stupid. Nate. Dude, it's like a fucking playground here. You can literally park anywhere and shoot. Oh, wow. Privacy, huh? Yeah, so George had the AC on the entire time, and it makes a huge difference. About to shoot the Z and the EVO at this dope location. I'm disappointed. The first run, that freaking EVO should have gapped the fuck out of me, but George had his AC on. So I want to try it again and see how much of a difference it makes. And hopefully I can show you guys that on the way home. I'll try to get a run with them. Well, either way, right now we did a 20 roll. He gapped the fuck out of me. and he had the AC on. I say face that way. And back in. Appointment at 12:30 and it's 12, so I gotta hurry up. Fucking opens up is sick. It makes me happy to see my bills rolling on the street. Like, fuck. Looking back at it, it's like, damn, I did that. That's fucking crazy to me. I love cars. I seriously love fucking cars. It makes me so happy. I can't stop looking at it. Alright, after the light, we're gonna go for it. First gear. Second gear, god damn it. Jesus Christ. I got fucking gapped. Fuck yeah. That's what I like to see. Yeah! Gapped me! Yeah! Fuck yeah! That's what I wanted to see. Bye, Nate. I love you. I'm late, yours. Haircut appointment at 12:30. It's 12:30. Now I'm pumping E in this car. Your boy got his fucking haircut all fresh and ready for tonight. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started.